In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create audiences in Quora ads. Start by opening your browser and searching for Quora ads. Look for the official Quora ads link so you're taken to the correct dashboard, not a help article or an ad. Once you're on the site, go ahead and log into your Quora ads account. If you manage multiple accounts, make sure you're in the right one for the campaigns you plan to run. From the top, navigation, click the Audiences tab. This is your central place for building and managing who will see your ads. Next, click the Create Audience button. That opens the workflow where you'll choose how you want to define your audience. Quora offers multiple ways to build an audience. One popular option is website traffic, also known as retargeting. This targets people who have already visited your website. It's great for bringing back warm visitors who viewed key pages, started checkout, or read your content. If you're using this, make sure your Quora Pixel is installed and active so the audience can populate. Another option is a lookalike audience. This finds new people on Quora who behave similarly to a source audience you already have, such as a list of purchasers or active subscribers. It's an efficient way to scale while staying close to the traits of your best users. You can also use list match by uploading a CSV file that contains email addresses from people who have consented to receive your marketing. Keep your list clean and recent for the best match rates. The more accurate your source data, the better your audience quality. After you've selected the type that fits your goal, click Next. You'll land on a setup screen where you can name your audience and add a clear description. Use a naming convention that notes the type, the source, and any key filters so you and your team can recognize it at a glance later. If you chose website traffic, open the drop-down to filter web traffic and set your time window. This determines how recent someone's visit needs to be to stay in the audience. Shorter windows focus on fresher intent, while longer windows expand reach. You can also refine which pages to include so you're targeting the most relevant visitors. When everything looks right, click Create. Your audience will start building. It can take some time to populate, especially for new pixels or small lists, so check back before launching campaigns. Once ready, you can attach this audience to your ad sets and begin testing performance.